Dear children, let us start with the next class from our chapter Lines and Angles. Yesterday we did few types of angles. Today we'll continue three more types of angles. Okay. The very first is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. What do you mean by adjacent? Adjacent means next. Next to something. She is sitting adjacent to him. So adjacent means next to it. So understand the definition. The two angles are said to be adjacent if they have common vertex. If they have common vertex, this is the first point. Yes, if I talk about O is the common vertex for angle AOB and BOC. Verified. Yes. Second, common arm. Common arm. Can I say this arm OB is common for both angles? Yes. AOB, BOC. OB is coming in both the angles. Common arm. And the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. And the non-common arms, we are talking about non-common arms means OA and OC. Yes, they are either on the sides of common arm. Here, so can we say that angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles? Yes, they are, because they have common vertex, that is O, they have common arm, that is OB, and the non-common arms OA and OC are on the either sides of the common arm. Clear? So can we say this two angles are adjacent angles? So this is the important condition for adjacent angles. So whenever anything is given to you, need to see. If I talk about this, if I take this, these two angles are adjacent. These two angles are adjacent. These two angles are adjacent. This is adjacent. So AOD, DOB adjacent, DOB, BOC adjacent, AOD, AOC adjacent. So all these angles are adjacent to each other. Clear? Any doubt with the adjacent angles? Next, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite, if you are listening to me, you are directly vertically opposite to me. Yeah, you are vertically opposite to me. Vertically means 90 degree almost. Yeah. So vertically opposite angles, how we represent? VOA. Vertically, V stands for vertically, O stands for opposite, A stands for angle. Vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, what do you mean by intersect? Intersect means when they meet, when they intersect at a common point. This is what intersection point is. Point O. Intersect means when they cut each other. Okay? Intersect, the angles form opposite to each other. So vertically opposite angles, when two lines intersect, then the angle form opposite to each other. If I talk about these two lines, they are intersecting each other. Now if I talk about, don't you think AOD is opposite to BOC? Yes. Angle AOD and BOC are opposite to each other. So what can I say? They are vertically opposite angles. Yes or no? Similarly, if I say AOC and BOD are also vertically opposite to each other, yes or no? That way or this way, they are vertically opposite to each other. Similarly, AOC and BOD are vertically opposite angles. Are we clear? Vertically opposite angle when two lines intersect. For example, I'll take this. When two lines intersect, understand, this angle and this angles are vertically opposite angle. Similarly, this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. Again, just see. I'll take the bigger picture now. Understand, these two lines are cutting. So if I talk about, if they are cutting to each other, then this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. Similarly, this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. Clear? Any doubt anyone is having with the vertically opposite angles? Clear? Now next condition, they are always equal also. Do remember, this is important condition. They are always equal to each other. It means AOD is equal to BOC. If I am writing this way, it means they are equal. Why I have Double marks because to show these two angles are different and they are equal. If I put like this 3 bar and on the other angle I am also putting 3 bars, means they are equal. They are related to each other. Clear with this? Any doubt anyone is having? Clear? Vertically opposite angle. Next, linear pair. It is adjacent angles only if you see the figure. These two angles are adjacent. Why? Common vertex O, common arm OB, and the non-common arms are on the either sides of the common arm. Right? So these two angles are adjacent. For linear pair, the condition is the sum of these two angles must be what? 180. The sum of these angles must be 180. That is important. But why 180? Because it's a straight line. And what is the angle made by straight line? 180. Therefore, can I say angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180, and the reason is linear pair. This is what is the definition of linear pair. And this is how linear pair is different from adjacent angle. Adjacent angles condition is not necessary that they must be on a straight line. But for linear pair, the two adjacent angles must be on straight line so that their sum must be 180. Are we clear with linear pair? Now I request you all to open your books on page number 101 and 102 for the exercise 5.1. Please open your books, everyone. Till then, we'll discuss few more concepts related to it. Let's have one example so that we can understand the concept more brilliantly. We'll have question number 9 from your book. In the adjoining figure, we'll see the adjoining figure first. Yeah.